Hi, it's Matthew from Avocado Property, here today to talk to you about mortgages. The big key topic at the moment is interest rates and how they are affecting people. But more specifically, there's a few key terminologies which I'm going to talk to you about now, which some of you may not be aware of. If you're selling a property, but you're not planning on buying on, are you currently involved in a fixed rate mortgage? Because if you are, you may have a redemption penalty when you come to actually selling your property. So on point of completion, you'll have to pay a percentage of that mortgage back to the lender because you haven't completed the initial term. Now, the best way to work out whether that's the case, have a look at your existing mortgage products, the paperwork that you were sent when you took it out, or speak to your broker, they'll be able to guide you. There's another key factor. If you're selling but buying on, what do you do about your existing mortgage? Are you able to port it? Can you top up if you're upsizing? What are my options? Actually, in truth, you've got options to all of them. You can top up the mortgage, you can port the mortgage, you could even choose to get a different mortgage rate with a different provider if you really wanted to. But again, talk to your broker, see what they can offer you at that time. The key part for most properties at the moment and most people that are selling is they've got to a point where they've actually finished their mortgage product. They finished it ages and ages ago, and whilst the interest rates were as low as they were, they never really sort of noticed how much they were paying on interest. With the interest rates having increased with the Bank of England recently, the standard variable rate has increased dramatically, which is what invariably you're on at the moment. So if you're not planning on selling immediately, but on a standard variable rate, have a chat with your broker, understand your options, see if you can go onto a shorter term fixed rate product, or in actual fact, see if you can move onto a tracker based product, which with some of them actually have no redemption penalties at all. There's a few options there, but the key part, which I've referred to a couple of times within this video, is actually talk to your mortgage broker. They're the right people to help you with it. They'll guide you on the right product, they'll guide you on the right service, they'll give you the right bit of advice that you need. Equally, if you're watching this and you think to yourself, I'll tell you what, I'm going to phone Matt and ask him, he seems to know what he's talking about. Give me a call, I'd love to help you.